Hi, I'm James Grant, Maintenance Service Advisor here in the shop. I want to show you guys today how to replace a headlight on the truck. So if you step back, you have to step back behind it. Be careful not to fall. The headlight will be behind this area here. Just all you have to do is unscrew this knob. So it's unscrewed. Push down here, it slides off. Inside of here, this is where your headlights are located, in these two places. Just unscrew that, it comes out. Unscrew that, and this headlight pops out. There it is. Just have to try not to, on the new bulb, you don't want to touch the glass. Well, you just take that and you unplug it, just like that. Take the new bulb, stick it back in, and then you just reverse the process you just made. Not in there all the way yet. Once you get that in, slide this back in place. This will be a little difficult today. There we go. Screw it back on. Tighten it down, just finger tight. That's all there is to it. And you're done. Come back out, be careful. All right, and that's how you replace a headlight.